going there? Maryann!
Hi guys, I'm having turon. Oh my goodness. I am making some turon. I just fried it. I think that's how you make it, right? I think yun ang ginagawa mo pag magluluto ng turon, diba? You fry it. And the dog are there. What are you looking, Miss? Do you have your own bone? It's been raining crazy. Umuulan. Sobrang ulan kahapon pa to, yung ulan hindi tumitilap. Patak na ulan ating ipakita ko sa iyo mamaya yung turon na niluluto ko. Ito na yan guys, parang sunog ata. Nasunog. Pero try natin at saka nanonood ako ng mga videos. And yan lang. That turon was really good, guys. It is really good. Let me put you right here. Okay, so I came up here and look at the two cat dimples and hubs, and I'm going to charge my iPad because it's low bat. This iPad is not really used. It's not really used to like my thing, like Facebook things like that. I have this iPad long time ago, and I use this to watch like a TV. It's 3%. It's low bat, very dead. So I used to use that before, like everything, like YouTube, just Facebook, anything that you can play, messaging, Facebook, Skype, everything, taking pictures. I use that, and it's iPad too, which is big. When I was eating the turon, guys, eat first one turon. It's sweet, of course. It's like saba, saging, banana, and jackfruit. It's really tastes good. It's been a long time I haven't tested any. I haven't tested any jackfruit. It's just really, I miss that. And then after keep eating it, I'm looking for salty thing. I can't explain. Like, I'm not a big fan of the sweet, food. Anything sweet, very sweet, I'm not a big fan of it. Like, I don't like it. And when I was eating it, I'm looking every bite, I'm looking for a saltiness. Like my brain's looking for its lumpia, because of course it's not sweet. That's what my brain's looking for. I don't know why. It's really bad for me because I've been eating salty like that. Not really crazy salty, but with salt. Ito, lobat na yung ko, so i-charge ko na. So yun lang. This morning, I kinda really, I like keep talking to my husband in the table while we're sitting down. But it's just like we have this conversation all the time that it's kinda like I did it over and over because I really want to move into our new house. And of course, he kinda like busy all the time and always like no time for that, and I'm the only one packing everything here. I can't pack everything because you know what, it's too much in this house. It's crazy, a lot of stuff in here. Marami talagang mga iwan ko kung anong dapat kong gawin. So kasi hindi naman akin to this is not mine this old stuff over here, and then I'm the one packing here. So what I'm packing here is my husband and the things that need to be transferred in the house, and that's it. So this morning I was talking to my husband like, okay, so I wish you would take an off or a vacation, because he doesn't take any vacation from his work. Every year he has a vacation, for like 1 week, and I hope he will use that in November next month. We're slowly moving in like the table, because in December I want to be there in Christmas. And he's so quiet, guys. He is so quiet, and I keep telling him, I keep talking and then he end up like he leaving, go to work, so he doesn't say anything. na nagagalit na ako kasi palagi na lang ako nagsasalita para wala siyang reaction. Kaya kasi ang sabi niya palagi na lang ako, mga 100 times na daw yun binabalik-balik ko, pinag-usapan yung ganyan na move. Of course, what does the point of buying a house if we're not moving or planning anything? You still have to do something in the house, like insulation is not done yet because we don't continue doing that in summer because that was really hot, and he can do it in the attic because it's crazy hot. So now it's time to do it, and now he doesn't have any off, and it's just, after he left, I called him. Are you kidding me? You can't just leave me like that. I called him. So yun lang guys, gusto ko na talaga, I really wanna go to the other house. Sa charge ko muna to guys kasi na-stress ako kapag ano, yung ganito yung palagi. Hi guys, nag-i-empake pa rin ako guys. Wala nang lugar dito kasi wala nang malagyan ng boxes. Same as the other day that I'm packing stuff. So ito yun lang guys, yung ano ko ginagawa ko. Ito maraming how do you call this? I don't know how do you call it. CDs, DVDs. Look, keeping it, don't wanna throw it out. And maalikabok, so I wiped it first. And marami pa dito alikabok na. My husband keep all that because you know dahil sa ano yung mga parking doon sa city, yung parking. At saka nanonood ako ng ano, the Real Housewife of New Jersey. Oh my God, very intense. Now Teresa is back from prison for 1 year and it's still like, oh my God. Ito, nanonood. At saka, lumalabad yung ulo ko. Masakit yung ulo ko, guys. Labad akong ulo. Tumatawag pala yung si Tami sa akin. Tumawag siya. Wala naman lang ano, yung umalis siya. Na, galit ako. Galit rin siya. Hindi naman siya galit na ano lang siya. Para na daw ano, inuulit-ulit ko palagi. And I know, I always keep saying it. Because he doesn't give me any reaction. Or any, you know, reply every time I talk about it. So, I had to keep saying it. Tumatawag siya. Tumatawag ulit siya sa akin, guys. Kasi, sabi niya, sabi ko sa kanya, oh, what? Do you want? Kinda like that because I kinda like. At saka, sabi ko, ba't tumawag ka? Sabi niya. Sabi ko sa kanya na, sabi niya sa akin, I'm just calling to my wife. I just wanna talk to my wife. Also now I'm your wife? No. I was like, oh my God. And then he says, oh my God, you're a bullbuster. You just keep busting my chops. I said, whatever. It's just like, you know. I want him to have a reason to keep moving. Because, or else, not moving at all, guys. As you can see, the house is empty over there. There's nothing yet. You know, small boxes, that's nothing. It's really nothing. I know, guys, I'm ranting right now to you guys, but it's just kind of outlet that somebody's listening to me and leave me a comment, and it feels nice. I know I'm ranting doesn't make you guys like doesn't make your day and happy, and it's like I'm sorry guys, I keep doing this. I really do appreciate a lot of you guys on my new Facebook account. I'm so happy with that, and right now I hear the cat playing with the coins. You're having problem. And then he's trying to catch your food. Good morning guys. Good morning, hold on. Hi, 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 hi. Hi, hi. Hi, 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 hi. Hi, hi, hi. Good morning. Hi, hi. Hi, hi. Did you went out? Did you went out? You went out? Oh, you went out? Nanonood lang ako ng Simple Race kasi na-surprise ako nung nakita ko yung ano guys, yung engagement. Misty P. Very windy, look.
Bette Midler. Hello, Dolly. March 15th. On Broadway.
We got up late. I'm kinda orangey also. Orange, I don't get it. Okay, guys.
This dog is?
Yeah.
This dog.
I'm back, guys. Can you see? So can you say hi to people?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Yeah. There's someone coming in the...
Say hi, guys.
Those guys up there.
Yeah. Can you say hi, guys?
And Jeannie
Yeah, hi, guys.
up there.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
I just fed him lunch nuggets, chicken nuggets. Okay, put something in your mouth. Put something in your mouth. Gavin, be a good boy.
Oh. Oh, let me see. Oh. Oh.
Be careful. Okay, he's a good boy.
We go.
Nigyan ko ng ano. Be careful, Gavin. Don't lean on the chair. I don't want you to fall down. So, sabi ko, kainin mo yan lahat, ha? Para lalabas tayo doon sa ano, backyard. Kasi, ayaw talagang maano. Maano. Ayaw niyang kumain lahat. Hindi naka-steady sa upuan. Palaging naka.
I know.
Look, I'm talking in Tagalog. I know. Nakasabot ka?
Yeah.
Nakasabot ka sa ako? Nakasabot ka? Naintindihan mo ako? Naintindihan mo ako? Alam mo ang sinasabi ko? Anong sinasabi ko? It seems like he's having fun of what I'm saying. Do you understand what I said? Okay, what is it?
And it.
Huh?
And it. Eggy.
Iki? Iki buricik? Iki buricik?
Eggy.
Iki? So, yung sister-in-law ko, drop her car. Look at her, he's smiling. You look like your dad. So, I have the baby here. You're not a baby anymore. Look, Roxy is licking you. So, you still have something in your mouth? I want you to eat, Gavin. That we can go run outside with Roxy.
And Misty too.
Oh, yeah, and Misty too, of course. But Misty doesn't like to be close to you. Yeah. Tumawag na
Oh,
yung...
that's a big one.
Yeah, that's a big one. That's a good boy. And tumawag na yung mother-in-law ko pa-pick up. Sa tinawagan ko na yung asawa ko na ready na to pick up. What, Gavin? I want you to stay in your chair because you still have like 4 pieces left to go. Kami lang nandito. Wala naman masyadong gawa.
Guys.
Hi, guys. Hi, guys. How are you doing, guys? I'm talking to my friend, Gavin.
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, you know?
Oh, I can wait under. There's a cute Roxy. She's looking at you and she's looking at me. What's she bring so? Oh, she's crying.
No, she's saying something. That means she can't wait for you to finish your food that we can go outside because that's what she wants. Gavin, come here. Roxy, where you going? May nangyayari sa labas, guys, when I was outside. Naglalaro kami ni Roxy sa labas. Saka gumaganon ako sa kanya, ganyan. I pet her and then I do like that and then suddenly she jumped into my, jump up and then naano yung nguso niya dito sa nguso ko sa maipin ko. So ang nangyari, masakit at saka naano na yung ipin ko na nasira. Kita ko yung color puti lumipad. Ay, may butal na. You see? Masakit na eh. Parang ngulngol ang sa Tagalog yung ngulngol. Nagnam na yung yung front tooth ko. Masakit. So, sira ang ngipin ni Marie. Hi guys, tapos na yung dinner. Gumagawa lang ako ng macaroni salad at nag-barbecue ng sausage. So, yun lang. Kasi, marami namang pagkain nun. Gumagawa lang ako kasi lumalayas na yung aalis na yung kapatid ni Tami bukas. So, ako ng macaroni kasi paborito niya eh.
Get in there. I'll get in there. How get on there? How get there? How get on there? Maryann! 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 The tax. Give me the. Maryann! Maryann! Maryann!
Yeah!
Why did this cake happen here?
Because they want to eat.
Okay.
It's time for them to eat.
Put it in the food.
Huh?
Let's put them in there later.
Yeah, I hope they will eat their food. Call me Maryann. Maryann! Maryann! This kid is so funny. He is like, he has too much energy, and then when he start talking, it makes you laugh. Because he's just like talkative, and the word that he's saying is super duper cute. So I'm gonna go back downstairs, and yeah, so I'm gonna charge the battery because it's dying. So I will see you later, guys. Hi guys. Okay, before I'm going to end this vlog again, I'm going to insert dimple arts. But anyway guys, I'm here to do a shout out. And I'm going to shout out to the people that wanted to be in my vlog, to be a shout out. I'm gonna do a shout out to my friends and to Remy Hernandez. Hi Remy Hernandez. Thank you so much for the comments, the nice message that you sent me. And also guys, thank you all of you guys for all the nice message and for all the concern about it. I'm still waiting though. I'm still waiting for the result. So yeah, hold on to that. I will update you guys, and also shout out to Rex Bernadette Azora. Hi sis Bernadette Azora. Rex Bernadette Azora, and Vinci Domingo Villanueva. Hi Villanueva. And also to Eds and William C. Hi guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to 4 of you, and right now who's watching right now, thank you, and I know who you are. You always comment, you guys. And to my viewers that who doesn't comments and always watch my video anyway, thank you guys, and I really do appreciate it. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, God, do it now. Subscribe now if you wanna be like watching me. Anyway guys, I don't know why I have so much energy. I eat the lumpia. The lumpia is not good. I mean, I tried the other lumpia that was good, the other one that you guys saw before, but the one that I got the last time, this time, I'm not happy about it. Not happy at all. And the crazy money. I better make my own, right guys? I better make my own and then freeze it, and I better do that myself. I'm gonna close this vlog now, and thank you guys so much for watching, and always appreciate all of you guys. I do. All the comments from the previous vlog, oh my god guys, thank you guys. Thank you so much. About that, I'm worried about that, because of the history, family history. So that's why I kind of freak out. I kind of worry about my husband. I kind of like, all of that. I don't want him to have problem about me, because he has that past already in his history, also in his brother. It makes me sad also, but it's not like leaving him, like divorcing him. No, I'm just gonna be there, have contact with him, but of course it's gonna be hard because it's far distance, 100 million miles apart. It's like, it's crazy, crazy. But hoping and praying that everything will be all right. And all of you guys, and some of you guys say prayers, thank you so much. I appreciate it, and I really, hopefully it's not serious, because the lady that will check it up, it says nothing serious about it. It's no changes. So hoping also that's what's the lady said, it's the same thing with the result. So that's what I'm praying. So anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.